Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with a complete demo with some question answers as well. So let me tell you. So the task was to go to this IG tracker report and find if someone at any time, at any day of from day 1 to day 31 marks this lead as a warm lead. So as soon as someone marks this lead as a warm lead, certain information to go in another tab, which is the sub niche message from truncated name, and there are two hidden columns for the URL and the website URL as well. So those all should go in this sheet and on the next available row. Let me give you a quick view for that. If you click on any cell, click W and hit enter, you will see a new entry got enter in this sheet. So this is basically a new entry. This entry will automatically go in another document, which is Loom responses. And here you can see the 24th March not used. So I have highlighted, let me highlight the next available empty cell and on this one as well. So now I'll go back to the W tracker. Last time we have marked uh, row 100. Now I'm going back up again and W and enter. So now the next available row has been filled in and next available row has been filled in here as well. So if you want to delete this row, for example, if for certain reasons you don't want this entry in here, you don't need to delete this on the Loom responses. You have to go back on the IG 4.loom videos, and here you can delete all any of the entries. So I'm deleting these entries, 7 entries. So I'll be deleting these from here, and I hope that those should also be deleted from here. Let me delete leave 2 and delete these. If I'll delete all of these, you will see a file update shortly here. See, so you don't need to make any changes on this file because this is a formula and this will automatically pull all the values available on the 4.loom video. So he does not need to go in there and delete it. Regarding this column is basically giving a serial number. So it's a good thing. But if you don't want this, you can always delete this. Let me delete this column. So let me delete the heading as well. So you can always track this with this number as well. So this is 21. So we have the next entry available for 23. Let me show you the functionality one more time so just to make sure that after deleting the column A, it's still working and I have nothing to do with it. So I'll be going back in this sheet, warm lead, a new lead is here, and there will be a new third lead in here as well. Let me mark these two as empty columns, empty rows 65 and 66, 24 and 25 in here. Let's mark this one as a lead, this one as a warm lead as well. Two entries filled in, two entries filled in. But if you will delete from here, it won't delete. It will always come back again because this is basically a dynamic formula. You cannot delete these. But if you will delete this one, the file will get unlinked from the other sheet, which is this one. So I hope you don't want to delete this one. So let me make lock on that. So once if you will make any changes on this one, this will ask you. Okay, I cannot make the change because I'm not the owner of this file, but I think I would suggest you to make the change in here, just like this one. So if anyone will make any changes on this tab, this will ask for the next one like this. So it's better if you would like to go to this Loom responses and on this cell A62, protect the cell so that if someone makes the change, if someone wants to delete it, they won't. So that is it. I hope this makes things clear. So again, if you want to delete any of the entry, you can always delete in here, and this will also go from here. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Yeah, there. Okay, let me add another thing here. So if you will remove any of the warm leads, let me remove all of the warm leads. That won't affect anything. These won't get if the value. If for example, okay, if I'll mark this one as warm lead, this one as warm lead. So now I have two warm leads in here. But if I will delete these two, this is not going to remove the entries from here. These will always be in here until you delete these. If you will delete these from here, these will get automatically deleted from here as well. Let me delete this. I'll delete this and you'll see, yeah, just gone. So that is it. I hope this makes things clear. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.